Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to start a group call on WhatsApp. If you're looking to connect with multiple friends or family members all at once, this is the feature for you. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on starting a group call on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed to access all the latest features. Next, open the group chat that you want to initiate the group call with. Once you're in the group chat, look for the phone icon at the top right corner of the chat. Tap on it to reveal the option for a video call. Now tap on the video icon to switch from a voice call to a video call. This will ensure that you can see all the participants in the group call. After selecting the video call option, tap on Call Group to start the group call. WhatsApp will begin connecting all the members of the group to join the call. Remember, this feature is a great way to stay connected with loved ones, especially when you can't meet in person. So, don't hesitate to use it whenever you want to have a group chat with your favorite people. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on using WhatsApp efficiently. Happy chatting.